It's running to other counties like Siaya, like Kisumu, like Omabay.
Who have impressed the
trying to build them to Kisii. We have a senator here who can give a place on behalf of Kisii.
Yes.
Where is Onyonka to give this place? Onyonka knows what kind of a person Simba is. We don't want to hear something like Sifuna. Sifuna, let him work in Nairobi. If he's not able to work in Nairobi, let Sifuna go to Western. If he's not able, let him leave Kisii alone. We have able and a capable senator. We have able and a capable women rep. Those people are capable to give us whatever.
And the members of parliament.
And we have able members of parliament. Let Simba represent himself for the systems of the government and give whatever is being asked. Nobody is fighting Simba. Let Simba give papers.
In fact, he came with a different agenda. But now, because he came with a different agenda and he has not executed that agenda, we are telling him we are coming for him, and he must respect leadership and the people of Kisii. And again, those wounds that he's using, threatening people at home, even to the villagers, we are just warning you. People are just aware about you. Thank you, Bwana Nyambaso Karibu.
This month, on 15th this month, we gave a note to do peaceful demonstration in Kisii. We gave a notice of 3 weeks. We gave Kisii Central, whereby we were told to notify Nyanchwa. We notified Nyanchwa and we left our letter there. We went there today and collected that letter. But the one of Kisii Central we collected on the 15th. We have heard that the other people got the same. What is embarrassing me or affecting my heart? MCAs who are doing oversight are the people applying for demonstrations. They